On this Mori machine with Mori advanced programming production system with the FANUC 32IP CNC, we're gonna save all the ladder, PLC ladder diagram, the parameters of PLC parameters, etc. to the memory card PMC AIA with a compact flash. This is an adapter and the compact flash is inserted on the adapter. So let's go first. We need to change the device area, so we need to go to setting, and in setting we need to change the IO device of CNC system to the from user area to media area. Okay, and then you have to go to system and select NC system, and here press the right arrow key until you get PMC maintenance. And now we have selected the memory card, which is now this memory card. If we haven't changed the device to the media before, the memory card is going to be the memory card that is inserted on the CNC. Okay, so let's select right from the PMC to the memory card, and we are going to write or save the ladder. PMC means PLC. That is in FANUC is programming machine controller. So we're gonna save the ladder, and with OPRT F10 we will get the name. We're gonna press F5, and this system is gonna propose the name for that file, and I'm gonna execute. I have pressed emergency stop because to save the parameters, I guess, or message, I need to be in that mode or edit mode. Okay, so now we'll change to parameter and get a new name from F5. And you see the parameter file name is PMC1_PARM.000. So let's execute. And now we'll change to message. I guess we don't have any. New name. Okay, that is the proposed name. Execute. There is no message. Let's trace setting. New name. PMC_TRS.000. Okay, and now finally the IO configuration. New name, F5, and save, execute. Okay, that's it. If you ever have to restore any of these parameters, you just need to select read and look for the list. Let's say if I want to restore the PLC or sequence program, I have to check list, it's reading the memory card, and select that file. We said that it was PMC1.000. and the file number is 31. So let's select that, and you'll see the file number is 31 here and the name, and then you have to execute. I'm not gonna do that, but that is a procedure. Okay. Or also you can compare, delete format if you want to format the memory card. Okay.